right, here we go, you guys. We are at 5800 Valley Springs Way, Elk Grove. So this single story in Elk Grove, it's actually a corner lot. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. So this area, Laguna West, is highly sought after, as most of Elk Grove is. So I'm gonna just give you a quick tour. We're gonna look at the bedrooms, the backyard, the kitchen, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it just as much as I do. Okay, so let's start with the kitchen, which to me is the heart of the home. So this kitchen, to me, is super homey. I feel like it's pretty spacious, but yet cozy. So we have our island, which is nice. We've got the island right here, and then you can see how nice and bright the kitchen is. And then to my left, we have a small dining area. So which actually leads into the backyard, which we will look at in a little bit, as well as the laundry room, which then leads into the garage. And of course, we've got a great little half bath right here. Okay, so let's go check out the rest of the house. As you already saw, we've got the dining area. As you walk in through the front door, your living space is pretty large, and it has a beautiful fireplace. So for anyone that is not wanting a lot of separate rooms, this is perfect for just one big great room. You don't need a whole lot more. Okay, so let's head this way to the bedrooms. Right here is our hallway bathroom, 2 sinks, shower, and bathtub. One of the best features to me about this bathroom is the skylight, so check it out. And at the end of the hallway, we have the 2 other bedrooms. Let's go check out the master. Okay, and here's the master. We save the best for last. In the master, we have our closet. We actually have a sliding door that does go back to the backyard, which is quite nice. And let's go ahead and check out the master bath. So, master bathroom, we have the separate tub, which is quite roomy. Okay, so let's check the backyard out. All right, thank you for watching. Marlo Jordan with Big Block Realty North. If you have any questions or any real estate needs at all, feel free to reach me. Thank you.